He's back. Yeah, the mental genocide is it's very deep, the mental genocide in Babylon, honestly, if you give attention a little bit and just look around. I have been Gavin, but that's not what I want to say, to look around. Hi! Yeah, if you just look around, just look around at how people live their life. Me, I just look at the neighbor behind my house now. Every day, as soon as they walk in the door, the TV is on the news. This is crazy. So do you imagine the state of mind that you have when every day you come home from work and hey, that is so low vibration. They put the TV on and they let themselves be lobotomized by false news and fake news and fake stuff and all this to influence our life, to live in that matrix, adopt the role, shut up, not question anything, don't get in touch with who you are or your dream or whatever you have to do here. No, just be an obedient worker and accept the program. Never step out of fear. Come on. Any dirt or carnage of yesterday belongs nowhere near now, but rather in the dustbin of history. I have a hair flying by. In the dustbin of history, where we need not rummage about. Dwelling on past injuries only leaves us dispirited and torn from the moment. Torn from the moment. That's what happened. Most people are torn from the present moment. Yeah. Many of times. Many of times in my life, I've never, first of all, there's things, I've never really realized that was possible, like living in the now. So all this is I'm redoing it live on YouTube, the blueprint of my mind. Any dirt, yeah. Dwelling on past injuries only leaves us. Yeah. If yesterday's hardship are stealing our aliveness today, then we must seek another level of consciousness. We must seek another level of consciousness. For some, this will require therapy to work through. For most, it will at the very least require diligence in immediately releasing negative thoughts and instead choosing to ask, what can I focus on in my life at this exact moment? To sense some peace, appreciation, and enthusiasm. What kind of person and what kind of experience do I want to choose to manifest right now? To those who have such presence of mind belong a life that is connected, real, and positive. Did you hear what I say then? To those who have such presence of mind belong a life that is connected, real, and positive. Many people are checked out of today because they are thinking about tomorrow. Thinking about the bills, thinking about the children going to school, the this, the that. Always stuck in tomorrow, what's going to happen next week? When is my pay? When is my next bill coming in? For some, there is a secret fear that tomorrow will be worse than today. They lie awake stewing on the hardships that tomorrow might bring. Their fears about the future rip them from the blessing of the moment. Yeah. Because the moment you start reconnecting with the now, the moment you start reconnecting with the now, the plane of inertia, a total different vibe will invade you. Others are concerned that tomorrow won't be worse, but rather no different at all. They think, why can't my life be more exciting? Tomorrow is just going to be another day, another dollar. Just another replay of some of the old routine. The sad reality is that unless they learn to grip their present experience with a renewed fervor, they are correct. They are correct. It's going to be the same. For sure. Unless you decide to make your life different, it will be the same every day of your life. Every day of your life. You will never get more than what you can get if you don't do more. You have to do more. You have to become more. You know, it's all together. To me, it's common sense. Common sense, if I want to become more, I have to do more. Action, you know, I trust action, I don't trust words anyway. That's why I say fake book is fake. And I'm not a big fan of Facebook. Yeah, I love Facebook. You're gonna say, oh, he's always posting on Facebook. Yeah, but I don't write big stuff because, you know, I prefer come and speak. I prefer speak, and this is my way of expressing myself. Others choose writing. I respect it. I'm inspired by a lot of people that write good stuff. What I mean is that there's a lot of people fake, and they hide behind that fake book. This is what I mean. But a lot of people are real also. Not everybody's fake. But there's a lot. Majority. The majority of the people are fake. We have to be use scrutiny in who we hang out with. Still others look to the future in a different way. They are the daydreamers lost in positive musing about what is possible for them. Just like me, every day I wake up, I think of what's possible. What's possible for me to rise more, to taste life on a greater, have a greater adventure. You know, what can I do today? So today I got up, I did my talk on YouTube, live and direct in the tube, and after I said, gonna go get my medicine at the post office, and then I came to my chilling spot. Super nice day. Give thanks for life. You know, I have the chance to be able to enjoy the nice weather, and the children are off from school also. My children are on March break. My wife is on holiday, so we're all together. We all came to the, you see, that's what we do. They're up there at the table. They're having a little picnic, a little snack. And I come here, I do my videos, and they come and join me after, and we have fun. You know, at least we're all out together. We're not inside stuck on tablets or stuff like that, or stuff to lobotomize or no, nature. Me, I want to be in nature. I want to be out. You know, especially now the summer is coming. You're gonna see me out so much. I'm gonna be back with my GoPro now. It's gonna be the summer rhythm. The summer rhythm, 10 videos per day, and 10, 12 videos per day. Upload that at night. Maybe you'll see me less live on YouTube. Less live, more with my GoPro. But it's like live anyway. I don't edit nothing. Nothing is edited. It's right up the bat here on YouTube. So that's why I like to say live and direct, because that's a bit how it is. I don't edit nothing. There's some videos I haven't posted in the past for some reason, but I never edit the video. I don't think it's necessary. Yeah, they often sit at their desk and let their minds drift into visions of tomorrow, and nothing brings them back but a phone call or knock at the door. Yeah. Tragically, their feet rarely land in now. This is what happened also. Often there's a lot of stuff around us that's gonna come and create distraction. And that's especially people around us. You know, people with bad vibe breaker, and people that don't really seek for nothing else in life than their regular life, well, they can see you. They don't want to see you, first of all, rising and finding a greater meaning in life. They don't, because for them, they don't see it. Don't stay far from those people. Stay far from those toxic people, because they'll come and invade your whole life. And they're gonna take all your attention away. All your attention away, and then you're gonna be like, okay, bye-bye. My whole life is gone. That's what they do. Without knowing, that's what they do. They want to bring you down with them. Stay far from toxic people. Identify them, identify the toxic people around you, and stay far from it. You can do that. Peace out.